Okay guys,
Right.
we're live on the countdown.
Charge for Bravo, lads.
Yep.
Yep.
Good luck to everybody.
There's a lot of infy. Whoa.
Let's start shooting.
60.
C4. You didn't say that I had to blow it up, so...
Oh, you can blow it up now.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. Hope so. Well, they're about to find out. Ooh.
Loads on left. You Kevin.
Right. Trading on Bravo.
Bomb beacon down.
You. Charlie as well. Let's get Bravo under control first.
From the roof.
Oh shit. I fixed it. Don't
Bomb
res.
beacon down.
Ooh, lots over on Charlie.
Turning on the beacon. Going
Squad on, eh?
downstairs on. Losing a not auto, but
Shoot, res. Shit, hot
Thanks.
res.
Here's your med. Pick it up.
Where do you get killed? Oh. Can't even see who's shooting me.
Oh my god. On my body.
I spawned behind two of them.
Here's your med. Pick it up.
Yeah, I killed them. There's a spawn beacon somewhere around here. Ah!
Alright, try spawn close as you can and just charge down again.
There's still two on the roof there.
yep.
Pick it up.
One less on the roof.
One crossing to Bravo. Okay, found one hiding in a bush.
Got by the whole mag reload.
Yeah, I got...
One behind Bravo.
Behind us. Where the hell did you come from?
Got coming up from Alpha to Bravo.
Lot of D, lot of D.
I'm down.
Grab a medkit.
There's your med. Pick it up.
Res.
Thanks.
Shit, one more on my body.
Oh. I'm running away. Damn it. What the hell is shooting me?
Oh, this looks not great.
No, you should not spawn on me. Got him, got him. Ah, someone else.
There's one more. Oh, sorry, chicken. Bad res, bad res.
Just staying on the ground. I have no ammo. No.
Shit.
Ah. My spawn beacon still up?
Yep.
Alright, I'll put another one somewhere.
Okay.
You sat res. Oh, sorry. Fired off too quick.
No problem hiding me.
Guys, we got people on the actual Bravo. We need to go back and clear that.
Oh, dead.
Ah.
Final stance for next week.
Here's your med kit. Pick it up.
Jesus.
Come on.
He's burning. I'm coming to cover.
Yep, spawning
Got
on
one.
you.
There's a lot on Bravo.
Oh, coming. Behind me.
There's a lot on Bravo.
On the roof again.
Guys, let's focus back onto Bravo if we can.
Yep.
Ah, I'm dead.
Here's your med kit. Pick it up.
Shit. Sat res.
Behind.
Here's your med.
Roof, Bravo.
Oh, nice. Burning Bravo.
I'm gonna try to clear that. Oh, M60 from Charlie side.
Shit, I've dropped down.
So much Dorito.
Ah. This is insane, to be honest.
They've got the echo roofs.
Quick revive.
Ooh, that's a hot res. I ran straight into someone.
Oh. Yep.
One on me. I'm behind. Yeah, I'm saying it's great. One's right underneath us. Oh. Didn't even see him.
Chicken, man.
Didn't even see him.
Oh, you were gonna knife him or something.
I left it for you.
Very kind. Cheek.
Alright, I'll watch, keep our backs clear. I don't want anyone to come.
I'm just dropping one.
Oh. Bunch of them coming behind us.
Requesting ammo. Here's your med kit. Go get it.
One coming up, yeah.
I hit him a lot. Got him.
Ah, sorry, chicken.
What? Ammo, can I drop ammo? Shoot, can I drop ammo?
Crossing.
There's someone right behind you, shoot. Look, he's on the floor. He tried to knife you. Thanks.
I'm on Charlie.
There, yeah, they're all
Oh,
dead.
coming up.
Shoot, they're all dead.
I'm done.
One on
you.
Charlie.
Nice, everyone. A lot of them in the middle section between B and C. And they're coming behind us from E. A bunch of them coming behind us from E.
You don't have any cover anymore. You have no cover anymore. On your spawn beacon.
Is it down?
Nope, still up.
And I fell. Roof opposite towards Charlie.
Losing Charlie.
Here's your medkit. Go get it.
Loads going middle section.
Yeah, lots on Bravo. Just don't worry about it. Carry on.
Enemy soldier spotted. Medkit, pick it up.
I can spawn on you.
Oh, you stupid spawn protection. Drake, get him.
Oh. Get. There's still one more on the roof over Bravo.
Yeah.
How did they miss me?
Ooh.
Crap, right above me.
There's your medkit. Pick it up.
Heal me. Oh, crap.
Behind us, are coming.
Wow, there's so many of them there.
Oh, come on. How did I miss him?
Hostile soldier spotted.
We're losing B. Yes, that's from the same point again.
And down.
Spawned onto B.
Who the hell is shooting you?
Ugh, they've got nasty crossfire from C, it feels like.
Yeah. Yes, that's around the corner.
Here's your med. Go get it.
Quite surprised they still haven't found that spawn beacon.
Yep. They have a spawn beacon on the other side.
Oh, they found a spawn beacon.
Here's your med.
Did they?
Go get it.
No, they have one. They have one on the other side. Of the mage massive building.
Who's getting shot? So watch out.
Don't res.
I got you patched up and ready to go.
Someone dropped.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Here's your med. Throwing grenade.
Spawn beacon found. I've got their spawn beacon. They got ours too. Who need ammo?
Nice shoot, he was just shooting me. Let's run up. Completely
Sniper,
ignoring
sniper, sniper.
And I got that guy.
I'm done. There's a lot of people come to you. Reloading.
Oh, 3 on Bravo.
Good C4 there.
Out behind.
I saw blueberries behind.
Eyes on a hostile sniper. Near your location.
Sniper near the water dam.
There's
I have eyes on a hostile machine.
Near my body, in front of my body. Oh, behind, turn.
oh, there's so many on B.
Still alive, I'm behind him if you want to spawn on me. Can't.
Hey, I dropped you a med kit.
Big mortar.
Yeah, got him.
Oh, come on. There's some towards Alphas. Thank you.
I spotted a hostile soldier.
Dead from the left side.
Oh. Good call.
There's your med kit. Pick it up.
Stay alive, stay alive. Let.
There appears to be an enemy soldier west of your location.
I'm still alive. Okay, I'll go and put a spawn beacon somewhere.
Yep.
Yeah, someone's got that covered, so don't jump out. There's no way through up top.
Here's your med kit. Pick it up. Here's your med kit.
Oh, I'm stupid.
Jesus.
Oh.
Ooh. Don't spawn on me at the minute.
Spawning on Beacon.
Oh.
The hell?
Just neutralized objective Charlie.
Roof on B.
There's your med kit. Go get it.
Oh, one behind me.
Ah. On the roof, camping roof, bunch of them.
Here's your med kit.
Jesus. We need to try something new.
Here's your med.
Heads
Pick
up,
it up.
hostile soldier due north of your position.
Here's your med. Pick it up.
Oh, come on, bull crap.
Where's the chicken?
You kill him?
Yep. Shit. Nice.
Killed like 3 of them.
Fuck.
On,
I'm spawning at A, I'm running to the other side. The other side, because they're protecting it from that side, I'm gonna do the other way.
And when I jump down.
I'm behind them now.
Oh, for the love of God.
Yeah, pretty much.
I've offered, mate.
Burn, you lucky son of a bitch. Can someone spawn on me?
Come on.
Spawn on me, spawn on me. Yeah, gracious.
Yeah, I'll be there in a sec, I'm down.
I'm right behind them. I need more people here.
Did you go?